Bro, guys, yo. That craziest shit happened while I was running my product, bro. Like, this was even before I started running the product. I've never seen this shit before. This has never happened to me, and I've never seen any YouTuber ever say it happened to them while they're testing their products. I was actually profitable before I even started the whole thing. I was like, I'm profitable. I'm what? What? Bro, like, I was flabbergasted, bro. I did not know what the fuck to say, bro. I was like, yo, this is the fucking product right here. This is the one. Then the next day, when I actually started, like, before I even started launching the ads, I got another sale. I was like, yo, what is going on, bro? Bro. I'm like, yo, this has to be the one. This has to be the motherfucking one, bro. I felt like that nigga, bro. Not even gonna lie with you. Not even gonna fucking lie with you. That was insane to me, because I've never heard anyone ever say that shit before. Like, I was not even, like, running anything yet, bro. My store was under maintenance still. Bro. And that's when my ads started running. Like, it was not even my fault. The very first, like, couple of minutes my ads started running, my ads account got restricted. I was like, yo, who's snitching? Like, bro, I was like, yo, what the fuck? What is going on? What do I even do in this situation? You guys are probably wondering, how did I find the product and what the product is? The product, bro, not gonna lie, bro, I did not want to share this product because, like, it was, like I said, it was making me money, but, like, I was not even running ads. But fuck those niggas. I want y'all niggas to win. I want you guys to get the bread. You know what I mean, bro? I want you guys to be up there with them. Cause when I noticed this, I'm like, yo, this shit barely even has any, like, any traction yet. Like, this is, like, brand new. This is a thing that can be used every single fucking day. It solves problems. Can you guess what it is? It's a motherfucking bathroom mat. It is so simple. Like, I literally heard another YouTuber say, yo, bro, sell things that people are gonna use, like, almost every day. I'm like, huh? When I noticed that shit in the ads, I was like, yo, wait, hold up. That shit started clicking. That started clicking for me, bro. I was like, yo. So I started researching, bro. So I went to their website right over here. And I was like, there's no way they're, like, making hella sales with this. Like, I don't know why it threw me off, because I never seen no dropshipping store, like, ever made like this. It was like, what is this? Like, this is so foreign to me, right? Then, like, I don't know, because, like, it's like the main page, but it's a checkout page, and it has a lot of weird things, like the whole text and everything. I'm like, there's no way this is a dropshipping store. Then until I seen the product and everything, I'm like, then I started searching the AliExpress and shit. Then I'm like, but then I didn't just want to go there. I did not just want to go there. I had to check even further. And with this method, I actually found it, like, you can actually, I heard when you sign up, not gonna lie with you guys, you get 3 free, like, store analytics from other people, competitor stores. So, yo, you know, I mean, I had to take advantage of it. You know what I mean, bro? Like, come on, bro. I'm a fiend like that. I got to. Like, when that opportunity sets itself, bro, I'ma take it. 100%. You probably wonder, where did I get it? Yo, where's the sauce, bro? Go to shophunter.com, bro. I literally searched these niggas up. You wanna know how I found out they were actually a dropshipping store? I put them in here. This is how you find out they're a dropshipping store too. Cause these niggas only perform with dropshipping stores. And as you can see, they're making bread. But that's a day. It's a fucking day, bro. And I literally, oh my God, I'm not telling you guys, I'm telling you guys, this is the wave. This is a new wave now. Yo, I looked in the recent sales, like, cause I had to, like, further research. Pow, right over here, first one, again. Like, I'm like, yo, no one has even been selling this shit yet. There's only, like, 2 competitors. Then I looked up even more. Then I found another nigga selling exact same fucking shit. So let me show you his analytics too, because I was actually able to get his too. You know what I mean? I had to take the second one. And this is his. I'm like, 14,000. I was like, I'm like, yo, you got that, Bam. You got that. When you look at that month, oh my God. Oh. I wish. Then I look in the recent sales, Bro, they're making money off of it too. Pow, pow. Bro, look, bro. This is 3 hours ago, bro. I went to their Facebook ads. I'm like, oh, this is the type of ads they're running. And I couldn't use theirs because for some reason their ads, they were branded hard. Guys, if you've been following my journey, you know how much I emphasize on good video ads. In the beginning, I was making very bad video ads. I've been spending so much time working on it, and it takes a lot of effort. And everybody knows with video ads, they can either break it or make it in terms of how profitable your sales are. So this is why I partner with Viral Ecom Ads. So Viral Ecom Ads is basically a website that actually makes you video ads for you. As in, all the video ads are basically proven to convert. The owners of these stores have actually made over 30 million using Viral Ecom Ads itself. So Viral Ecom Ads doesn't just make ads, it makes actually ad packages. As in, you can get split testing, regular ads. They got UGC ads, because UGC ads are very important nowadays, and also animation ads. So if I was going to pick a package for you guys, I would pick split testing ad package, because you get 4 ad variations, 1 product. And if you scroll down, it basically just shows you how to work, where you just place your order, there's a form you gotta submit, you receive your video, and the best thing about it, you receive your videos within 1 to 3 days, and you can also get free revisions. All you basically have to do, just press buy now, and use my discount code Projectecom for 15% off, or you can go to the description because it will automatically have it for you. You can actually just pick one. This way you can save so much money, so much time on making good video ads, so you can just go hop in and just start getting all your work done. Look at this John, bro. The secure mat, bro. Like how you gonna do this to me, bro? Like, I can't sell it on the same domain and shit. But as a real nigga, as a real dropshipper, I recreated that bitch easily. Cause we hustle over here, bro. We hustle. So I couldn't use AliExpress. AliExpress was kind of expensive, bro. That shit was like $15 to ship. And the product, them niggas was like selling them shit for 30. And I was selling it for like 25. I'm like, I don't know. I can't do it. I can't like compete with them yet. So I tried CJ dropshipping. It's not, bro. CJ dropshipping was expensive too, bro. Shit, like the whole thing was $15. And CJ dropshipping, it said it was like 267. I'm like, oh shit, I can actually make hella bread off of it, cause it looks like it doesn't cost that much. You know what I mean? But these niggas are they're fiends with it. They're fiends. They're fucking fiends. So the niggas wanted 15 too. So I'm like, which one is cheaper? Okay. Then like I know I'm like, bro, like my margins are not looking good. Like, bro, like my sale to how much I'm spending, I was only getting like a $14 return. I'm like, bro, I can't do that. I need to raise the price even higher, almost close to the competitors, but like not as close to them. I at least get like over 15, 16. So I did that shit. But yo, that's just my mistake. Yo, when you're actually like looking for the numbers, bro, before you do it, estimate your profit margins, because your profit margins can change drastically. And now let's get into the meat, the juices, the juiciest part of this whole thing. These were my analytics for the first one. And honestly, I think I made a big mistake when I was like making like the whole ad creatives, because like when I look back at my sales, I'm like, I got 2 sales already. Let me look at like what's working. And it was just women. You know, like women buying the products only, because there was only 2 women in. I'm like, wait. This was like after I spent all this bread. I was like, wait, what am I doing? Why am I targeting both genders? Like with women are like the primarily target. They're the ones who like would take more baths and shit. Like, yeah, you know what I mean? They'll probably be the ones who actually buy bathroom mats more than a guy would. For some reason, ever since I got that little like violation thing, whatever, from my ads, it stopped tracking my ads for some reason. Like literally none of my data to track. Like, look at this. No, like literally no add to cart website, whatever, check ROs, purchases. It's not tracking. So I'm thinking I either fucked up my pixel, like that's what I believe, but like I'm not positive because like this should be tracking. But let's look at the other one. With this new one I made, it was basically all the same things, except for like different thumbnails and stuff. I kind of used the same thumbnail. I used a different thumbnail, the one that looked a little bit more pleasing, like the competitors are using, and I got better rates, but it wasn't doing the thing. It wasn't doing its thing. So I don't know. I did not know what the fuck I was doing wrong. The actual store, it also looked pretty good. Yeah, it also looked pretty good too. It looked more cleaner than theirs, cause theirs I don't know, cause I never seen theirs before like that. So I'm thinking that yo, maybe a cleaner approach would be like better, cause the other person had a cleaner approach too. Like nice and clean, nothing crazy. I got reviews for fucking days. Like literally all these were just picture reviews. So in total, I made $88.34. This is the most amount of money that I've actually made in dropshipping ever. Ever. 8 add to carts, 10 checkouts, 3 sessions converted, with 3 people actually buying the things. Like I said before, like one person was from like just searching on Google and they're actually able to find me all the millions of people and like buy from my store. I'm like, yeah, that's why I thought, hey, my store actually looks good because niggas are converting and I'm not even running ads yet. That's why I thought this would be like a good ass idea. I'll be making bread. Like I said, like from like the last video, bro, make sure you have abandoned checkouts on. Like I said, it was able to save me and I was actually able to convert again from it. And you guys are probably wondering, did I fulfill the orders? Yes, I fucking did. I did. Why? Because I'm broke and I need the money. That was my results for running this version. I actually made the most of money from this that I've ever made beforehand. And I'm thinking, yo, I can actually do this now. Like I actually learned a little bit more. Like from the last video, you seen I actually only made like about like $40. This video I made about $88. Like I'm going up slowly, but the next one I'm gonna do, I'm about to be even going crazier. Why? Because I have more tricks up my sleeve. I got more apps, better designs, better everything now. Because since I'm getting so much more knowledge from watching you guys, learning from you guys in the comment section and everything, like, yo, I'm about to be going crazy. But like, yo, I'm not going to forget y'all niggas. I ain't going to forget y'all. Y'all the ones who are going to bring me up to the top. Because I'm literally reading every single fucking comment. I'm like, yo, these are some good ass ideas, man. Like, why niggas not teaching us this shit? Because niggas do not want us to fucking make it. So if you made it this far from the video, bro, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, bro. Help me out. Help me fucking out, bro. Help me start making more videos and shit, man. You guys give me the motivation that I need to keep going. You know what I mean? Yo, appreciate you guys for so much watching, man. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Next episode, we're about to be going crazy, man. Like we already doubled how much money we've made already. So next episode, bro, like that shit could be tripled. And I'm gonna be showing secrets too, you know what I mean, bro? Like,
sad to say I put my love in this bitch, but she didn't care enough. Sad to say I put my trust in these niggas and they try to cross me up. Fuck all you bitches and fuck all you niggas, I'd rather go add it up.